Different choices have different results. Which would you choose? Painful staple removal or no staples at all? Bulky bandages or no bandages required? Waiting to shower or showering immediately after surgery? Train track scar or no train track scar? Choose DERMABOND PRINEO skin closure system instead of skin staples. Here's how it works. A lightweight mesh is applied over your incision and then coated with a skin adhesive to form a strong, flexible seal. A watertight barrier blocks water and bacteria from entering the wound, and then it falls off naturally, unlike staples which can be painful to remove. Enjoy an optimal wound healing environment, easier aftercare with no dressings to change, and greater post-operative comfort. Hear what DERMABOND PRINEO patients have to say.
It's just so much more convenient. You can shower, you can get it wet, and you lead more of a normal life. After the DERMABOND PRINEO came off, it was wonderful. It's such a fine scar line.
Enjoy greater satisfaction with the appearance of your scar.
That's one of the nice things that has came out of it. I have like the pencil line scar. I don't have the big half or inch size scar that most people have.
Get back to the things you love in no time. You have options. Ask about DERMABOND PRINEO system today.